to my channel. It's me, Catherine, and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys how I created this simple glam makeup look for glasses. If you guys are interested, then of course continue watching this video. Like I stated in today's video, I will be sharing with you how I created this makeup look for glasses wearers. If you guys don't know, for a little over a year now I have been wearing glasses, and honestly I cannot see a thing without my glasses, and I haven't started wearing contacts just yet, so glasses are my 24/7. So with that being said, of course I have this YouTube channel here which is mainly a beauty channel, and I love to wear makeup, so sometimes it's hard to wear makeup and wear glasses at the same time because, you know, you want your eyeshadows and your eyes to be popping, but your glasses are basically going to block whatever you have on your eyes. And with me, I also get, you know, dents and things like around my nose area, and sometimes my makeup will get on my glasses in here. So I have finally realized what works for me when it comes to makeup and glasses. So that's what I'll be showing you guys in this video. Also guys, this video is in collaboration with Firmoo. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know I have worked with Firmoo quite a few times. Actually, this is my 4th time working with them. Absolutely love their glasses. I have, like I said, majority of my glasses are from Firmoo. All of their glasses are stylish. So the glasses that I recently picked out from Firmoo was these cute little, I guess, avatar or aviators. I'm not exactly sure if I'm saying it right, but it's these cute little glasses here. If you guys don't know, I am obsessed with gold. I do have gold detailing in these glasses as well, and because I am using my ring light, you guys are going to see a glare in my glasses, so I will be sure to leave a picture in this video so you guys can see these glasses up close. But these are the glasses that I picked out, and I absolutely love these glasses. I will give you guys a quick glimpse of me having them on. I absolutely love these frames. They are like so beautiful. So if you guys are interested in the glasses that I did pick out, I will leave them down in the description box. Also, I do want to let you guys know, if you do wear prescription glasses, Firmoo do have a program going on right now, which is a $1 program where you can receive a pair of prescription glasses for $1, but the glasses must be single vision glasses at 1.50 index, and also you can only get 1 glasses per person, which is still a great deal. $1 for a pair of prescriptions. Y'all better hop on that. So if you guys are interested in that, the process is you'll go on the website, apply, then you'll receive a text message with your code. From there you'll go onto Firmoo's website and pick out a pair of frames, put your code in, and you are completely done. Also, if you are in the US, it will be free shipping. So if you guys are interested in that program, I will leave all of the information down in the description box. But like I said, y'all know I love Firmoo. I've been working with them quite a few times, haven't had any issues. Customer service is amazing. If you have any questions, any concerns, you can email them, and within 24 hours someone will reach back out to you. So I love that they are super affordable, but also they are bomb glasses and not cheap material at all. So I am done with all of the talking. If you guys are interested in this makeup look, which is perfect for glasses wearers, then of course continue watching this video.